Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the original Google account. This is critical because locked folders tie to that account. Once signed in, make sure your device has stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Slow connections stall restores. Install or update Google Photos and Google Play services to the latest versions so the app can access backup metadata. If you change devices, add the account and wait for initial syncing. Once done, open Google Photos and navigate to Library to begin locating the locked folder recovery options. You'll next locate the locked folder via Photos right arrow Library, right arrow Utilities, right arrow Locked folder. This path reveals items protected by your device credentials. When prompted, verify with the same PIN, device passcode, or biometric you used previously. Google ties access control to local device authentication and account tokens. After access, select the photos and videos you want to recover. Then choose Move or Restore so they return to your library. Make sure you wait for the sync indicator. This ensures items are re-indexed. To finish, monitor the Cloud Sync icon and search or recent sections to confirm restored content is indexed. This prevents accidental duplicates later. If the locked folder appears empty, check other devices that use the same account and the archive folder, because some items may have been moved. If things go wrong, re-add the Google account, clear Google Photos cache, and reboot if access still fails. Replicate the steps on another trusted device and contact Google support. One tip: never factory reset again before confirming full cloud sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.